Hello everyone, this is Elijah Beam and Weather. Today we're going to be looking at the thunderstorm potential for southwest BC and northwest Washington and the atmospheric river that is coming this weekend for those areas as well. If we scroll out, you can see this moisture that passed this morning. It is currently marching east into the eastern BC, Alberta. You can see that. You can see these thunderstorms that are left behind as that cold dry air comes in that we might be able to seeing us impact our area very soon. So let's take a look at that here. So if we check in the European model here, this is a lightning flash density here. You can see as we scroll through, this is looking at 4 p.m. You can see near Coquitlam, Vancouver area, there's a thunderstorm popping up there. There's something around the Olympics there, eastern Vancouver Island. And you can see they just kind of look like they're going to come down through here. Another one near downtown there showing up, downtown Vancouver. Another one near Gibson's as well in Vancouver. And there's one even showing up in the Puget Sound. So basically, anyone could see thunderstorms in this area. It will be very localized and it will not be for everyone. So let's take the HRRR, the HER, higher resolution model. You can see back it up right here. You can see this is looking at 4 p.m. Pacific time here on Wednesday. You can see some activity is showing up for Metro Vancouver and the Puget Sound down here. A lot of activity off of Vancouver Island as well. That'll move through. Let's just back it up here and look at the precipitation rates for this. If we look at the convectivity and precip type dBz, you can see if we scroll out, let's just go back to one run. You can see these pop up maybe upwards of 30, 40 dBz at times. That is very heavy rates. Those are moderate heavy rains, and you can see that they're just showing up a few showers coming through, maybe even a bit of a convergence zone looking thing here. Snow in the mountains, maybe above 1,300 meters. We got that cold air coming behind it. So let's take a look at the precipitable water. This is basically look at the moisture. You can see this cold, drier air behind it. We are going to get some convection out of it, but it is moisture limited for sure. If we scroll in here, we're looking in towards Friday afternoon. Early afternoon, you can see that moisture really start to pummel into the lower mainland and Washington. You can see it really barrels Vancouver Island in the lower mainland here, and you can see it kind of marches south a little bit, but then kind of goes a bit north again. Wondering if that's probably a low pressure system pulling it north. Let's take a look at the parameter, the multi-parameter. This is rainfall rates, thickness bars, pressure bars. Blue are the snows. You can see higher elevation snow. We're really getting into the season now where we will be seeing higher elevation snowfall. You can also see the very heavy rainfall rates across Western Vancouver Island and in the lower mainland as well as we scroll in. This is now looking at lunchtime Saturday. It's still raining pretty good here. Then you can see it kind of dips south and then it goes back north again as a system drags it up to the north a little bit. We're going to get quite a bit of rain out of something like this. You can see then it marches south to get some dry air in, kind of a ridge building up. So let's take a look at the Euro Ensemble total precipitation. You can see as we scroll through here, it's quite hefty totals. It's got, the reds are minimum of 50 millimeters, and you can see it really pummels Western Vancouver Island with upwards of 200 millimeters of rain. Coastal mountains, North Shore mountains, maybe 100 to 200 millimeters. And the Cascades getting into a lot of rain too, as well as the lowlands. We're probably going to see anywhere from 50 to 125 millimeters of rain in the lowlands of Metro Vancouver, and a bit less as you head south, but they are going to get hit pretty hard by this storm. Let's take a very much closer look here. This is Vancouver here. Vancouver, Abbotsford, Seattle, Portland down here. Take a look at it here. You can scroll out. You can see this first system, showers may linger, so we get a bit of rain out of that. And as we scroll in, we can see the moisture from that atmospheric river really start to come in. You can see 140 millimeters up near the Sunshine Coast there, 120 millimeters up there, 60 millimeters White Rock, 87 for Maple Ridge, Pitt Meadows, 39, 42 Victoria. This map does have a little bit less for Puget Sound, but I do expect those to change, you can see just this is the totals. The Euro is really packing this in with 80 to 150 millimeters of rain for the lower mainland, and even more in the mountains, and even more in Western Vancouver Island. That is definitely a very big event. It is definitely going to be a major storm, so we're going to have to watch out if you're in those areas. So let's look at the atmospheric river rating system chart. You can see red here, category 5, 4 is orange, category 3 is green, yellow, so on. So basically what we have, so water vertically integrated vapor transport. So this is basically water mass in the atmosphere, air mass, or like moisture in the atmosphere. Anything over 1,000 is automatically no. So basically, this storm is going to be going from Friday night to early Monday morning. So this is about 48 plus hours or so. So this would probably be, with the vapor transport, we're probably going to be looking at a category 3, 4. So a strong atmospheric river definitely coming in. Let's take a look at the European ensemble now. You can see as we get this transient ridge building in, that cold air from the north. Not Arctic air or anything, just some cold air. And then you can see this pressure gradient sets up. We got a ridge out in the States here, and we got a trough up in northern central BC. So what happens here is there's going to be a plume of moisture in between these, and it's going to just train into this area as this ridge kind of keeps the pressure north, but it doesn't go too far north or anything. And then you can see something interesting here. You see this breaking wave here develop, this pressure suddenly forming over the area. I think we do have a bit of a wind potential now happening with this, but I will talk about it more tomorrow as we get closer to the event, but something to keep an eye on. Stay tuned. So let's take a look one more time. So we got this system passing through. We got this cold, dry air behind here. This thunderstorm potential through today. And then further distance in the weekend, we got a strong atmospheric river coming into northwest BC, southwest BC, and northwest Washington, with possible several inches of rainfall for some areas. And yeah, that's it. So if you enjoyed the video, I hope you did. Make sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends. There will be updates hopefully coming next week. I'll be busy this weekend. Maybe there'll be some YouTube shorts. But as well as forecast goes, I am going to be busy this weekend. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. I'll see you next time.